Now students, in this module we will see how to make a mirror and what are the characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror. Let's start with the making of a plane mirror. There are three simple steps to make a plane mirror, and the first step is we take a transparent glass sheet. Once you take a transparent glass sheet, students, the next step is very simple. You have to coat one side with silver. Now it is coated with a thin reflecting layer of silver so that it becomes the opaque surface. Now what is the opaque surface? Opaque surface is the surface through which light cannot pass. So students, the question arises, why silver? Because silver, it is one of the best reflectors of light. We can also go for other metals like aluminium. Next is, to protect silver, it is coated with red paint. Now once it is coated with a red paint, this side becomes opaque, right? And if you turn it back, it becomes the reflecting surface. And what is the reflecting surface? It is the surface where we see our image. So students, now how to represent a plane mirror? To represent a plane mirror, it is like we make a straight line with number of short oblique lines on the other side. You can see that. The oblique lines are the opaque surface, and here what you see, the straight line is the reflecting surface. So this is the reflecting and the other side will be opaque. So in this manner, a plane mirror is represented. Coming to what are the characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror. There are four characteristics. Let's see the first one. The first one, it says the image formed in a plane mirror is upright. That is, it is erect. Now students, upright is very simple, straight. Always, if you go and stand in front of a plane mirror, you always see your image upright, right? So that is the first characteristic. The second point, it says the image formed in a plane mirror is upright and of the same size as the object. If you go and stand in front of the mirror and if you touch your head and the image head, it is always of the same size. So it is the image formed in a plane mirror is of the same size. The third point, an image in a plane mirror is behind the mirror and at the same distance from it as the object. For example, if you are standing 5 cm away from the mirror, then the image is also 5 cm away. So it is at the same distance. The last point, it says the right and the left side are interchanged in the image formed in a plane mirror, and this is called as lateral inversion. What is lateral inversion? It's very simple. If in front of the mirror, if I raise my right hand, then the image will raise its left hand, and that changing is called as lateral inversion. So these are the four characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror. Coming to a quiz round. Let's think, students. The question says, a robot is standing at a distance of 8 meters away from a plane mirror. Now students, the question is, at what distance from him will his image be formed? We have studied the characteristics, right? And the characteristic, it says, the image formed in a plane mirror is at the same distance as that of the object. If the object is 8 meters away, then obviously the image of the robot will also be 8 meters away. Now, the question, it says that at what distance from him is the image formed? So from him, if you measure the total distance from him, it is 16 meters. That is 8 plus 8. So we say the image is formed at a distance of 16 meters from him. So that is about plane mirrors. Thank you, students.